Wow, my name is Samuel James Price, and every single day I do a Bitcoin live stream, and I give you the news 3 to 5 minute segment that breaks down Web3, cryptocurrency, and more. Finance and fintech. Let's break it down today and see what's happening. Bitcoin moves towards mainstream legitimacy following Shanghai court ruling. What the Chinese court has to say in a tweet shared on Twitter platform. Sun quoted part of the article that labels Bitcoin as a unique and non-replicable. On a closer look, the article discusses the legal attributes of Bitcoin and how judicial decisions should be made on crimes relating to them. For one, the author believes that by mentioning how cryptocurrencies are used as an object of illegal financial activity, such as illegal fundraising, the People's Bank of China indirectly recognizes the financial nature of cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin despite the current ban. However, it stated that because of the regulator's stance, the legal attributes of digital currency are not clarified, making it harder to dispose of them judicially. It noted that despite some courts' attempts to disregard these digital currencies, monetary and property attributes, they have failed woefully. So people have tried to say they're not what they are, but they're more what they are than the things that they say they're not they are. Right? They are commodities. They are property. So this is a big deal. I think China's going to start to realize what this means going forward is the court's legal opinion gives more legitimacy to Bitcoin and digital currencies, as the article states that these tokens undoubtedly have value, even though the People's Bank of China chooses not to acknowledge the fact. Additionally, the court would be more inclined to adopt arguments that cryptocurrencies can be classified as personal properties, especially considering that it mentions that Bitcoin, for example, can be acquired through mining, inheritance, and even buying and selling. The fact that you can inherit Bitcoin, people have already done so. Okay? Bullish news for sure. Just a matter of time. I mean, I'm telling you, Evergrande, they're going to have to move somewhere. Upbit's dark hour. Fake apt tokens wreaked havoc in South Korea. Upbit, South Korea's largest crypto exchange, is reeling from substantial security breach that has sent shockwaves through the crypto community. This incident unfolded after Upbit detected a fraudulent deposit that had been made using a cryptocurrency that was mistakenly identified as the legitimate Aptos. Up closer investigation, the security team uncovered a sophisticated scheme in which scammers had created a counterfeit APT token. The fake tokens managed to trick the exchange system into recognizing as genuine. Dude, imagine that. Pumping fake tokens into the exchange, selling them off for US Tether, and disappearing into the night. Oh my God. In response to the breach, Upbit has taken swift action to rectify the situation. The exchange has assured its users that the deposit and withdrawal services will be resumed once wallet maintenance is successful. I didn't know you could even do that. I thought a coin was so connected to its own ecosystem, you couldn't slide a coin in as the coin itself. This is new news, guys. And as it's kind of scary, and but we can't be scared. We can't live in fear. But as we continue and grow, there's going to be more and more coming up. MicroStrategy buys 544 additional Bitcoins for $147 million. Dude, they buy 5,000 more Bitcoins. You saw me buying my orders. I only wish, right? Justin Sun says HEX was hacked for 5,000 ETH, but will cover the losses. Wow. But MicroStrategy purchasing an additional 5,000 Bitcoins for approximately $147 million. The company holds a total of 158,000 Bitcoins, worth roughly $4.1 billion at the current prices. MicroStrategy purchased an additional 5,000 for $143 million at an average price of $27,053 per Bitcoin between August 1st and September 24th. The latest purchase brings the company's Bitcoin holdings to around 158,000, dude. Unbelievable. The move comes after he acquired an additional 12,000 for approximately 361 over 2 purchases in June and August. I'm telling you right now, buying more Bitcoin will never be a bad deal. More people are going to wish that they bought more Bitcoin. Thank you so much for watching. Please comment, like, and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications. You can find out when I post my next video. Remember, if you came to the channel, then you're already doing the right thing. Crypto is life.